Are you having forward posture with a hump now on your thoracic area after prolonged sitting in your computer or with your lifestyle? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I will be showing 3 simple exercises to help your Dowager's hump, which is a hump or kyphosis on your thoracic area due to your lifestyle of forward head posture that I did a video before, and this is 3 simple exercises to counteract more for a progression to prevent the forward leaning posture that most people have nowadays. So get your mat ready, an elastic band, a ball, and a bolster to join me today with these 3 simple exercises. So let's discuss the anatomy of our spine. So I said earlier on my previous video for forward head posture, you can check out the link down below, as well as my anterior pelvic tilt posture. Our cervical spine is naturally in curvature with a natural, gentle cervical lordosis, which is not extreme. We need that natural curve to support our head. And then it reverses to the thoracic, a natural elliptic curve, and then it goes forward again to the natural lumbar lordosis, and then there's a natural sacrum that fuse together for the pelvis. So if you notice, curve, a slight curve with thoracic back, slight curve on the lordosis on your lumbar, and then another for your pelvis. So it's like a 2 S's. But with our forward head lifestyle, what happens to the cervical neck? It becomes sometimes straight instead of a curve, and then it starts to compensate. Our head is like a bowling ball, like a 12-pound weight, and then it's heavy through time. The more you're forward, it adds pressure on your spine, and then our thoracic becomes a big C curve, and then our ribs started leaning forward, and then our chest gets tight into like a concave basin, and then our lumbar area becomes increased lordosis. So there's an upper cross syndrome, lower cross syndrome that causes pain on your neck, upper back, and thoracic, and then you started having this really bad kyphosis in a very young age due to too much phones, tablets, and technology, or maybe your work and lifestyle needs you to be in the computer. So if you want to learn more about how to improve your posture, I have a posture series that you can check out, the link down below, so you can do each one every day and to refrain yourself from being in the computer. If you need to be in your desk for 8 hours, you can put an alarm on your cell phone and remind yourself every half an hour to stand up, walk, and stretch, even just a few minutes or seconds. So the first exercise I'm going to show you, if you really have a bad Dowager's hump already, is to use a ball, because this is gentle enough for beginners. So you're going to a big ball. If you don't have a ball, you can use a bench, but a ball is soft enough that's not going to hurt you. So from this position, you're against gravity. So even just in this position, you're ready. Co-contraction on your upper back, and then you slowly look up. And this ball is enough support on your low back and your knees. You can use a mat soft enough to support your knees. So you take a deep breath. I want you to engage your core muscles. Inhale and then slowly look back. Stretch your upper back and blow. And then down. And then the longer you hold it, you start 5 seconds hold, and then progress to 10 seconds hold, and then down. You feel a pressure sometimes in your low back. And if this is too aggressive, you can start on the wall, standing on the wall, pushing your head and your shoulders touching the wall for proprioception, which means sensation of your body, knowing your posture. And this is a beautiful progression against gravity, and blow. And when you slowly look up, you're strengthening your cervical muscles, your neck, and down. Our cervical spine has 7 vertebrae. Our thoracic has 12 vertebrae. So from T1 to T12. And you know that you really have a bad Dowager's hump. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. When your level of T7 to T8 is really protruding already. And then you're in C7 on your neck. Fatty buildup. We call it fat tumor. Sometimes there's so much fat buildup because there's no strength and fats accumulate there on the fascia. And this is the best way to strengthen your postural muscles and blow. So you can open up, fingers out, flare it out to stretch more. So there's a lot of tightness on your chest area that you might feel in your anterior shoulder, in front of your shoulder. So take a deep breath, belly button in, and blow. One more. So we'll do 10 times. If you want me to do a follow along video, leave a message down the link below so I could do a progression for this with the elastic band. So the next one, you grab the elastic band. You can do this in sitting in your chair. Just grab an elastic band that you can purchase online or in the sports stores. Place it on your armpit and then slowly do a shoulder press up and then slowly look up. Take a deep breath and blow. So that's the second exercise with the band. 5 seconds, hold 10 times. So let's try it again. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. And then if you can do this in standing, then you can really stretch even your low back area and blow. And the progression for this one is the same thing with the ball. So after the warm up earlier, then with the ball. And gently look up. You feel a lot of pressure on your upper back and neck. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And depends on the strength of your arm. If the green band is too hard, there's different resistance level. You can start for beginners and then slowly progress to more resistance. So take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. So there's different color progression that you can try. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And then the last one is utilizing a bolster. If you don't have a bolster, you can use your bath towel and you wrap it, tie it, and place it like this, vertical on your spine. And then you're gonna lie on it gently. And from this position, you open your arms out and hold that for 5 minutes. If your neck is hurting, you can grab a pillow to support. And you can put a sock, a rolled sock, on the Dowager's hump on your C7 area and place it there. Then feel that stretch on your chest utilizing gravity. If 5 minutes hold is too difficult, you can start just 1 minute, even 30 seconds to start with, to slowly open with gravity. With your breaths, engage your core muscles. The core muscles will help support your spine. So take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And the gentle progression with the ball. See, you can use the ball core engagement while holding in this position. So you can feel you have to pull your stomach in to hold the ball underneath your legs. So take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. And that's it. Those are the 3 simple exercises that you can do to get up from your chair, do some exercises at work, or if you're off from work, do this at home. And there's more exercises you can progress gently to improve your posture. It takes a lot of dedication and lifestyle changes to have better posture. So make sure you remind yourself, place it on your cell phone, to place in an alarm clock, to get away from the computer, your cell phone, or tablets, or reading newspaper, your magazines, and books. And take a walk, take some fresh air, deep breaths, engage your core, do some stretching. Okay friends, let's do a recap of exercises. The first one, you're gonna lie on your stomach on a big physioball to support your spine and gently look up, shoulders back with your breaths. The second one, you're gonna use an elastic band and slowly lift it up, shoulder pressed while gently looking up with your breaths. The third one, you're gonna lie down on a bolster
And to progress, you're gonna elevate your feet on a physioball to support and engage your core muscles. Open up your arms for 5 minutes. Hold for a gentle stretch on your chest muscles.
So if you have any questions about this video, leave a comment down below. And if you want me to do a follow-along video to follow me utilizing these devices, if you don't have this, you can still just do it on the mat. And even with the elastic band, if you don't have it, just your arms. You can start beginners even without the resistance band yet. Thanks again for joining me. If you love this video and this content, please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell so you're updated for my future videos just like this one. You can see my videos I upload every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can also check me out on my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I have a Patreon account you can check out the link down below. And I have more videos you can check out down there. Thanks again for watching. Have a great and healthier you. Bye!